What's up, you guys? Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Today I'm going to be talking about what to do after spring cleaning your lawn. If you watched my last video, you saw that I power raked or dethatched, I core aerated, I overseeded, and I top dressed my entire lawn. And now I am seeing my lawn push some growth and has greened up for the most part. This is an indicator that my lawn is completely out of dormancy and that the roots are finally establishing some growth. Now it's been a couple of weeks since I overseeded. The soil temperature has increased and averaged around 45 degrees for the past 5 days. This means that the seedlings have started to germinate, which means that it's a great time to throw in a starter fertilizer to promote that early root development. The starter fertilizer that I'm using contains a 12, 18, and 8 breakdown of NPK. NPK stands for nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium. It is also rich in phosphorus, which will help the new seedlings establish their roots more efficiently. The starter fertilizer also contains humates, which help push microbial activity into the soil and is crucial for the seedlings to help build strong root systems and provide nutrients for grass growth. I'm also going to be applying a sea kelp or seaweed and humic acid mix into the soil right before applying my starter fertilizer. My lawn here in the backyard is around 800 square feet. I had some concrete work done last year, so I lost about 200 square feet from that. But it's important to use the suggested application rates found in the label to avoid any over-fertilizing that can potentially harm your lawn. So I will be applying around 2.5 pounds of starter fertilizer to my lawn. You're probably wondering, is it safe to mix all three things together, sea kelp or seaweed, humic acid, and the starter fertilizer? And the answer is yes, it's completely safe. In fact, they work well together. The starter fertilizer contains nutrients, especially in phosphorus, that will help the seedlings push that early root development that it needs. So what about sea kelp? Sea kelp is more of a biostimulant, which helps improve the soil health, root growth, and stress resistance. It also contains a natural growth hormone called cytokinin. Think of it as a steroid that you're injecting into the soil to promote root development and fight off any stress. And no, this is not a steroid that you should be using for any reason. How about humic acid? Humic acid helps improve the soil structure, nutrient uptake, and microbial activity. It also helps hold down nutrients like the ones found in starter fertilizer in the root zone longer. So you put these three things down, and you're basically injecting a natural steroid into the soil that gives your lawn a nutrient boost, an organic boost, and a soil boost. It's the best of three worlds. If you made it this far into the video, I know you guys are going to kill it this year in your lawn game, especially if you have already spring cleaned your lawn and will be applying these three things next. Your neighbors might look at you a little crazy, but it's all good, because it's all part of the process. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. But seriously, thank you guys for watching this video. By no means am I a professional. I just really enjoy maintaining my lawn and sharing the journey on this channel. If you guys have any questions, comments, please share them below, and I will do my best to address them. And with that being said, please go like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.